Will these foods be in short supply the rest of this year into 2024? Let's come back and talk about it. Welcome back to our channel, guys and gals. Today we're talking about foods that are going to be in short supply the rest of this year, looming into 2024. So we're going to have to stock up or find alternatives. This is coming from Yahoo Finance. It was a story published back in August. I had been reading about this, and then Travis over at Economic Ninja, if you haven't seen his channel, go over there, tell him I sent you. He tells the truth. He keeps it real with everybody. He's got a great channel, great platform. I watch his channel religiously. He has two channels. He's got the Economic Ninja and the Real Estate Ninja. Two great channels. Again, if you check him out, tell him I sent you. But he also covered this also, and I was like, I really need to cover this with you guys because things are just not getting better. Going into the holiday season and everything, I figure I need to get this out to you. I took a week off. A little off, over a week, some medical issues and the hurricane and stuff. We were blessed. We didn't get hit or anything, but I just needed a week to regroup with some family issues and medical issues and stuff like that. But back to business. So, Yahoo Finance sent out this report that these foods will be in short supply in 2023, so stock up now or find alternatives. Said it was a bad year for food shortages in 2022, with categories including eggs and baby formula that was hit hard. Unfortunately, 2023 could see its own batches of food shortages. Here's what consumers should start stocking up on now before the prices soar and products likely become harder to find in store shelves. Corn. We all know corn. Historically, Ukraine has been one of the world's leading providers of corn, but that has all changed since Russia's invasion. There's no end in sight. As such, we'll be seeing less corn. There is a pretty major issue since corn is an ingredient in so many other American products, including chips, salad dressings, and even soda. So, your cereals, like your corn flakes, if you like popcorn, you might want to stock up your popcorn, corn for your animals, anything that's corn related, your canned corn, you might want to pick up a flat, anything corn related. That's the number one item we're having a shortage on. And if you do get it, you've seen the price increase on the corn. It has increased significantly, and it's going to increase even more. So if you can get a bag or two now, go ahead and get it while it's cheaper, because you just know it's going to increase even more. 2, bread. A bread, flour, and wheat shortage are likely on the horizon, largely because of the ongoing war in Ukraine. Russia and Ukraine account for close to 20% of the world's cereal grain production. Again, cereal products. Stack up on cereal, your wheat, your flour. Flour can go into your freezer for up to a year. So if you can pick up a bag and you got room in your freezer, I would do that. So 3, vegetable oil. Several vegetable oils, canola oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, and palm oil are expected to be in short supply over the next several months. This is due to a few factors, including Indonesia's decision to halt the export of palm oil and continual droughts across the globe. 4, I don't have baby formula out here. I don't have a baby, so ongoing baby formula shortage is expected to last through the spring of 2024, according to a recent report from Ricket Binkhuizer, the maker of baby formula giant infant meal. The shortage is persistent, mainly because the issues that led to the initial shortage last year, including the power recalls and labor shortages, led to such a monumental supply shock. Number 5 they have on there is champagne. I don't think anybody really cares, but hopefully you got your fill of champagne on New Year's Eve. And 6, canned pet food. If ever there was a time to start making your own pet food, it's now, thanks to a looming shortage. Canned pet food could be even harder to come by in the new year. So that's what they're saying at Yahoo Finance. I've got a few other products I'm going to just show you real quick that you might want with the holiday season coming up. Of course, you know about eggs, sugar, you know, the dairy products, cheese, stuff like that. You might want to pick up on a few extras. If you like sweet potato pies, stuff like that, you might want to get a couple cans. I have yet been able to find pumpkin pie filling or pumpkin. So if you can get a hold of pumpkins or pumpkin pie filling, if you want pumpkin for your holiday baking, you might want to go ahead and grab it. And then also, if you like cranberry sauce, this is in short supply on the shelves right now. So if you can find it, you might want to go ahead and pick it up also. I don't know that they will have it when it comes time for it to actually be on the shelves. So when I saw a can of that, I also picked up a can for this year. Got me a few cans of sweet potatoes. I like sweet potato pie. Yeah, shut your mouth. But I'm glad to be back. Also, for anybody that sees a glimmer of this little book back here, this is my daughter's book she just had published. She published a journal on Amazon. It's called the Beauty Babe Studio Journal. If you'd like to have your own copy, it's like $10.99 for this one. It's the paperback. There's our hardcover also available. That's on Amazon. But I am very proud of my daughter. So anyways, that's what's going on in our world. Our chicks have grown up and everything. I can't wait till next spring when they actually start producing our eggs for us and all. Our dogs are doing good, getting along great. We're doing better here. You'll start seeing more videos from us. Thank you for coming along on today's video. I'm sorry it's run a little long. I try to keep them short. I know you got a lot to do. This world's going crazy on us. Take a deep breath. It's going to be alright. Stay fearless. God's with us. God bless y'all. We love having you here, enjoying our videos. Like, subscribe. See you on the flip side.